really special episode of Wegs Garage today. You're not going to want to miss this. We'll get back to that. Welcome to Wegs Garage. Big day today. We're going to get this thing started. Oh, and something about it's Father's Day. So, today is the Wegs Garage Father's Day Will It Start special. Stay tuned. Alright, so first thing here today, just got to clean up a few things. We had a little bit of a leak on this hose, so we're replacing the clamps there. And then I got to do a little bit of wiring so we can get the electric fan running. Just in case maybe this thing starts. That'd probably be good. And then we'll be, I guess, getting the wheels back on and rolling it out. But first things first. So we got our electric fan hooked up and working with just a temporary switch on the dash. We'll figure out we'll be putting on a thermostat switch eventually, but for now we just have a manual switch. Get the vacuum advance line run over the carbs. Also kind of temporary because we're going to redo this gas line to the carburetors here eventually, so it goes to the right location, and then we'll run that alongside that. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the driver's seat in here and get the wheels back on. So seat rails are painted up, looking good, so we'll get those put in and then probably wheel this thing outside.
Drew the short straw on this deal.
Alright, we got everything put on, got it rolled out. We're going to see if we can get this thing to start.
Depends on that.
Where's the fire extinguisher? Always got it.
All right, see anything?
If you see something, say something. Okay.
Got any fuel in it yet?
How the hell do you tell? 'Cause I'm not sure how we would pour it. Take that connection off and pour it back from here. It's getting the fuel into that line that's going to be the trick. I don't know if my funnel would fit in there or not. major league one. Holy crap. Take a look at this.
Smoke.
Right down there. See it?
Did we even tighten that up?
That's a good question.
Trying it again?
Try this again.
Is there a cover charge for you people?
You should.
Oh, I suppose we should have brought you guys in here.
No, we're not to that point yet.
They don't get one until.
Alright, crank it. Tell, kill it. Where the hell is that coming from? I think it's coming from the same spot. Here. Doesn't it look like...
Well, Dad, we got it started. It's
Well,
not perfect.
It runs. Now all you gotta do is make it pretty.
So, how about some champagne?
Snap the neck off that. It's time for a drink. Here we go. Oh no.
Oh no! The cork broke off. Sometimes you gotta get creative.
I don't think this is really the way that Mr. Ossie recommended getting the cork out, but
Oh, he's
It
not
worked.
here right now. There you go.
cheers. Oh, jeez.
One more thing. I almost forgot.
Oh, a safety belt. A gift for you. Your loincloth days are over. It won't be the same without the orange rag over the brass belt buckle.